if you come straight to your gauge.io right here and you search for this particular token right now, so you purchase the particular token with 100 USDT just like this, and you will be getting this particular amount of this particular token right here. So you just have to go straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger called KuCoin right here, and then search for the specific coin right here, and then just go ahead and click on sell. Make sure you go ahead and sell the specific token right here on your KuCoin exchanger right here, and you'll be getting profit of 1.5 USDT right here inside your 100 USDT as initial capital. Everything will become 101.5 USDT right here. So you'll be getting profit of 1.5 USDT if you carry out this particular spot trading transaction between gauge.io right here. Take a look at the gauge.io and this particular KuCoin right now. So at the end of the day, you will end up any profit just like this right now. Okay, so take a look at the number right now showing on this screen right here. I have literally done this on the multiple times. I mean, I done it like 4 to 5 times today. So I'll be doing this 7 days ago. Now I end up getting such amount of money right here on my Binance wallet right now. In this particular tutorial, I will try to guide you through step by step on how you can literally navigate and see this particular signal right here. And then if you don't have a time to spot any particular signal with the particular tools I will be giving you right now, you can actually go ahead and keep tuned to this my channel, so that anytime I drop a new video, you will just go ahead and follow the process right now. But that one aside, listen carefully right now. This is actually a disclaimer. I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here, because cryptocurrency is volatile, it is up and down. Anything can literally happen right here in cryptocurrency ecosystem right now. Okay, so I'm not advising you to put in money right here, because this is actually not a financial advice. Okay, so you will be responsible for your losses or your gain right here. Okay, now that you have know all this, just go ahead and give me some few minutes of your time, so that I can literally navigate and show you what to do and how you can literally navigate and make profit from spot trading in this particular two cryptocurrency exchanger right here. So all you just have to do, go straight to Arbitrage Scanner right here. They're the best tools ever that I'll be using to literally spot cryptocurrency arbitrage opportunity right here. Okay, so if you check my video description or in the pinned comment, you will find the link straight to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. Okay, so you literally have to get 1 day free trial if you use the particular link on this my video description. Probably after that 1 day, you just have to go ahead and key in any plan of your choice by clicking on this particular place right here. Okay, so you can literally go ahead and use 3 months, go ahead and use 1 month, go ahead and use 6 months, or probably 1 year. Everything right now is literally less for you, because immediately you literally key into any plan right here, you have the full opportunity for financial freedom. Okay, so you know, there's a disclaimer, it's not guaranteed at least, but you will be getting some amount of money from this particular signal that they are giving you if you are trading, spot trading, or even future trading right here. So I advise you to get a Premier, which is a pro right here on Arbitrage Scanner. Okay, the link will be on the video description right here. Okay, so make sure this particular cryptocurrency right here, which is gauge.io and KuCoin, you get your account verified right here before. Right now, we just have to go ahead and get started, so that I can show you everything step by step, what to do, how to navigate right now. So firstly, you have literally spot the particular cryptocurrency arbitrage by clicking on this side, click on Arbitrage Project right here, click on Arbitrage Scanner right now. So wait for it to load down right here. Take a look at it. Every 30 seconds it will be loading, popping up new cryptocurrency that is spot from one cryptocurrency exchanger to another. Okay, take a look at the particular cryptocurrency right here. We'll be using this for this particular tutorial purpose. So I spot it right here, gauge.io to KuCoin right here, and we'll be getting 0.5% if you finally get everything done successful. So now let's navigate. Go straight to gauge.io just like this. Okay, so just go ahead to the spot trading right here. Immediately you get straight to gauge.io, will be like this. Go straight to spot, go ahead to this particular place, go ahead and search for the particular cryptocurrency right here. Okay, which is this one right now. Go ahead and buy the specific token with any amount you have. In this particular tutorial, I'll be using 100 USDT right here. Yeah, so I will be getting this some amount of token right here. Now, just go straight to this particular place right here, which is asset. Then just go ahead and click on withdraw, so that you can withdraw the specific cryptocurrency that you purchase with your USDT right here on the gate straight to KuCoin, so that you can sell it out. Go ahead and click on on-chain withdrawal right here. Go ahead and search for the specific cryptocurrency, which is DYN. Okay, take a look at the specific cryptocurrency right here. It is not suspended, it is still active. Click on this right now. Go ahead and provide the wallet address right here. To get the wallet address, go straight to the other cryptocurrency exchanger, which is KuCoin right here. Okay, so in KuCoin, go straight to accept right here. Then just go ahead and click on deposit in this particular place. Click on deposit cryptocurrency. Then just go ahead and search for this specific cryptocurrency right here, which is DSYN right now. Take a look at it right here. It is not also suspended, so everything is active right here. So this is the wallet address of this specific cryptocurrency right here that you buy on a low price. Go ahead and copy it right here. Then just go straight to this particular gauge.io right here. Go ahead and paste it in this particular place right now, and everything will be under Ethereum. Just go ahead and provide all the amount that you purchase right here on your gauge.io right here. So just go straight and send it straight to your KuCoin account right now. So immediately deliver straight to this your KuCoin at this particular place. Click on trade right here. Then go ahead and search for the specific cryptocurrency just like this. Just go ahead and click on sell in this particular place. So just go ahead and sell out the particular token in this particular KuCoin right here. Okay, so this is the particular cryptocurrency amount that we usually buy, and we'll be getting 1.8 profit right here if you are using $100. Let's say if you are using $1,000, you will be getting 18 USDT as profit right here. Okay, so little amount of money give you little amount of profit, big amount of money usually give you big amount of profit. So in all, you'll be getting profit of 1.5 USDT if you are using 100 USDT. Your initial capital is still intact right here. So that is how I literally ended up getting enough money right here on my Binance account that you are literally seeing right here. Okay, so now let me refresh this once again so that you guys can actually believe and see everything is real right here. Okay, so now just go straight to this particular place so that let me just show you all the transaction history showing on this my Binance wallet right here, how the money literally comes straight to this particular account, and then how I just swipe it up and navigate this particular cryptocurrency exchanges and make profit from spot trading or future tradings right here. Okay, so now that you actually know all this concerning all these particular steps that you just have to take, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content just like this. If you like this particular video, just go ahead and share it to your friends, family, anywhere of your choice in the particular group if they literally trade cryptocurrency or they literally want to make money in cryptocurrency. Now I will see you in my next video right here. Bye bye for now. Peace out.